Let's learn how you can turn off and on your online WhatsApp status on WhatsApp. So let us start by opening our WhatsApp application. When you do that, you want to hit this settings button on bottom right corner. Then when you open settings, you just want to click on privacy option. And here you will see last seen and online option. Click it and you can select if you want everyone to see or only your contacts, or you can just select few contacts that you don't want to see you online, and also you can select nobody, so no one can see that you're online. For last seen, you can just select same as online and reverse. So when you hit that, it will say automatically. Now you can go back and just go to status. Here you can also select who do you want to block from seeing your status, and if you only want to share it with a few people. So you can also select that to prevent people from disturbing you. So that's it. Thanks for watching.